Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan and today is day 22. Just 2 left. Okay, let's get this open. I hope it's something brand new. It is something brand new. I don't know how to pronounce the name. It's a fruit infusion. Tulsi Tranquility? Tulsi? It'll come up. And it's 5+ minutes on the clock. Let's get our lucky number 23 up there. No, 22. Oh, it's rushing the days away. 23 and 24 is left. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed the tour of our community yesterday. Let's get this in here. It smells like potpourri. But good, like not overly powerful, strong potpourri that you couldn't handle smelling like some stores do. But interesting. Set that over there and do our little chit chat chit chat. Dun 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 dun. Okay, anyways. I wanted to talk about dreams. Now, somebody once told me when I was younger, well, I still, it's really funny how certain things stick in your mind. I remember being in a classroom and I was probably in like grade 1 or grade 2. And we were, doing that whole, you're sitting around in a circle and you're telling things or whatever little kids do. And I remember one little kid saying that he wanted to talk about his nightmare. And I heard the thing that stuck out in my mind was that the teacher was trying to teach all the little kids that if you're having a nightmare, just say, it's a nightmare and wake up. And I remember thinking, what in the fucking kind of crack is this lady on? Because I'm in a nightmare. If I could just say, hey, I'm gonna wake up, I would. I didn't realize that many people, I guess, can actually realize that they're in a dream. I cannot realize that I'm in a dream. I think that the dream is reality. So I think that the nightmare is reality. The other thing that I didn't realize as I grew up, somebody had mentioned something about, when you're in a dream, you don't dream in color. And I was like, what in the hell kind of fucking crack are these people on? Yes, I dream in color, and I don't quite understand that. Like the other night, I had a vivid dream. Like all my dreams are vivid, so that just goes without saying. I had a dream that I had chickenpox, and I've never ever had chickenpox. And it was like chickenpox everywhere, and they were bright and red, and they were itchy, and it was awfulness. But I mean, I always dream in color, so I guess I don't quite understand that. So my question to you is, do you dream in color? And can you realize that you're actually in a dream? And can you pull yourself out of the dream? Like, I'm the type of person that, if I'm having a dream, I will literally like wake myself up crying because I am like heaving and crying because either the dream is so bad or the nightmare or whatever, or I'll wake myself up laughing and I'm like literally like laughing, LOL. So, but yeah, everything is so like rich and real, and I swear I can smell things. Like everything's just super intense and like all the colors are there, and I think that's why for me, if I have a nightmare or a bad dream, or if, somebody was mean to me in my dream, it's difficult for me to get through the day because I'm still feeling hurt or harboring that, emotions towards that person. Yeah, I know it was very difficult for me when my dad first passed away, because I would often dream that, just everyday things and that he was with me. And that was very difficult for me because I would wake up and I almost had to like relive his passing every morning, because I had to wake up and then come to the realization that, yeah, he's not with us. And yeah, that was very difficult. Very difficult. So it wasn't just like dealing with it in that moment and being able to like slowly get better. It was every morning for like a month or two having to deal with that. So it was difficult.
Oh, this is awkward.
Okay, let's lighten that up. Where are we at with this timer? 20 seconds? I think that that is good enough. All right. Well, this is interesting. Clang, clang, clang goes the teapot. Splash, splash. Interesting. I don't know. Here we go. It's fruity. It kind of has a... I don't even know. I'm at a loss for words here. There's definitely like a pow of fruit. It's not like overly powerful. It's very light. It's mellow. It's not my typical pleasing taste bud. That's hot. Ugh. Whew, hot, 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 hot. Okay, so interesting enough, it appears that you can only get this tea in this right now. It's not available on DAVIDsTEA. Not quite sure what's happening there. Let's take a look at the back. Where are we at? Where are we at? Okay, they call it a fruity stress relief. The ingredients are rosehip shells and seeds, apple, tulsi, I don't even know what that is, hibiscus, red currants, rose petals, raspberries, strawberries, natural flavoring. Okay, so, I don't know why I'm having so much trouble today. There's almost like a flavoring of some sort of root or something, which is bizarre. I think I would rate this maybe a 4. You know, it's not heinous. It's not good. I'd say good is like 5 or 6. It's definitely not great. Yeah. 4. Meh. It's a big fat meh. So, anyways. I would love to know if you dream in color, if you can tell dreams from reality. Are we in the Matrix? What is happening? What do you think of this? Let me know and leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That is super helpful to me and makes me feel loved during this holiday season. So thank you. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And until tomorrow, take care. Yep. We're not doing meh.